This video is sponsored by Santa Cruz Software.
So I have to work for entertainment people, and they have to sign off on everything. So let's say I need to make this image look good. I cannot start the job until this lady signs off on every image. So I'm going to use Camera Raw through Bridge to make her beautiful and to, let's say, bring up the shadows, or just to get, dear God, please just sign off on something so we can get our job done. So I'm going to select subject, bring up her shadows a little bit. I'm going to darken the exposure because, you know, you just got to make it look a little good. And
you're looking at the histogram for that.
No. And then I'm utilizing the mask much like in Lightroom because it's ACR, it's Adobe Camera Raw. I'm going to just darken the background and maybe give her a 1980s style little, you know, glow behind her.
Hi, JCPenney.
And then her skin, yeah, total JCPenney. Her skin is not awesome possum sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and use color range to select her skin. And let me move up in here. And you know, well, let's just get rid of a little detail, right? Isn't that what we need to do? So let me, why can I not see?
The things you must see from the entertainment
Honey,
industry.
you have no idea. So yeah, I'm going to actually take the texture and clarity down just a little bit, and then maybe pop our highlights a bit so the wrinkles don't quite read so much. Let's just say for giggles, we think this is okay. I'm going to close this and say done. This is good, but oh my God, let's say I have 100 images. Ugh. What I'm going to do is go Control on a Mac, or I don't know what it is on a PC, right click, and say, hey, can you just copy these settings for me? Because I got to send all these to Marge and have her approve them. Then I'm in Bridge, I'm going to shift click through the rest of the images, and I'm going to control click, and I'm going to say, hey, because we use that AI masking in Adobe Camera Raw, can you just paste that? And make sure, please, ladies and gentlemen, that you click masking when you do that. And then most of my time is going to be spent just waiting for this, but it's a minute.
Yeah,
Rock on. We got a minute.
I mean, you're using AI in a productive.
So I don't know,
way.
in my world, I don't know about your world, but we have to send every single shot to celebrities to get approved, and we can't retouch every single one of them. But with those maskings, and especially the color range, you could take the skin texture out and change the color. I could change your hair color if I wanted. Anything. I can't body shape or anything like that, but that's all right. We can do that another day.
Wow, look at that.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.